Welcome, in front of me is an Honor X8 and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we will need to open up our standalone contacts application, which should be located in the Google folder. It looks like it's not here. It's under Tools. As you can see, Contacts. Here you'll see all the contacts that I have right now on your device. You should also see contacts that are from your Google account as an example. Whatever the case is, we're gonna from here click on the three dots, select Settings, and then Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are on my SIM card. I can quickly select all of them by tapping right here to select all. If I don't want all of them, I can also just deselect some of them. From there, import. It gives me two options, so I can import contacts to my phone, so locally to the device storage, or to the Google account. I'm pretty sure most of those contacts already exist on the Google account, so I'm going to select only the phone itself. And there we go. They have now been imported and should be visible right here. Now, if in certain cases you might not see your contacts right away in your list, then all you need to do is just go to Recent, close the contacts list, go back to it, and these contacts now should be visible in here. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.